take a Gallus domesticus and break it in a glass dish. Whisk it with some NaCl and put it top of a burner with solution of C2H6 and boom! Nothing happens. Because it was the process of making an egg. With this, we came to realize that it is not the content that we need, but the context and visuals which completely change our approach towards learning. Greetings everyone, myself Aparna, a student of class 11. I am standing here to reimagine education, to rediscover education and establish the learning from the future. Once I went to supermarket and purchased a few items for which I needed a calculator, because I once tried to do calculation of my own and accidentally discovered a new number system after counting to 30 in Hindi. Not only me, but it is the same case with many of us there. The very next day, I went to a local market with my mother, and a very young boy, not more than 11, was selling vegetables. We purchased few of those, and I realized that during the payment, that young boy was doing a lot of calculation, not of only ours, but of others too, in his fingertips. And my mother said to me, look, he's more smarter than you. It may look like a joke at that time, but it isn't. I realized that I am studying in an English medium school, participating in all the co-curricular activities, have an excellent academic performance, and I still can't compare my skills with that little boy. This incident made me think that what is the problem? What is the setback? Where I am lagging? I am studying hard on the top of my class, participating in all the international Olympiads, and voila, I got the answer. It is that I am just studying and studying to get good marks, to flaunt them, to be a good student, and everything except the practical use. Because what we are gaining is marks, not knowledge, not excellence, not vision. Because if we close our eyes and think about the education that we want is different. Everybody approach towards this all knowledge gaining thing is different. Think for a second why we are here. To get a certificate that we have participated in that Olympiad or this platform, to get a good admission in a good college. Because marks, degree and job placement, it is what that defines us by the society. Looks funny, but if you see it closely, can you see the evolution from here to here? It took millions of years, but we still are stuck in the classroom of 1925. Why? Okay, let's be honest here. When a student's phone outside class offers fun, connection and dopamine every second, we can't blame the gadgets. The inside of a classroom starts to feel dull because of these things. Why? The problem isn't attention, ladies and gentlemen, it's engagement. Because the education is different for each and every student. If I want to study from a physical teacher, the other want to do it in a different manner. Why we should study projectile motion in a book in a boring manner when we can actually experience it? Imagine throwing a pen from a height, recording its time of flight, and seeing all the forces at play. And that's not science fiction or Harry Potter's magic. That's the gift of technology. This is the time, ladies and gentlemen, to work together with AI. To think that each and every student's capabilities are different. If I am good at speaking, the others is not. And we can't judge them on this basis. At last, I just want to say that before coming here, I was really nervous that if my talks will inspire you or not. But I believe that the goal of education should not be to make students repeat what they have memorized, but it should be to ignite something within them. a spark of understanding that does not fade with revision but grows into a fire that fuels curiosity, passion, and power to create a more meaningful and brighter world for everyone. Thank you. That was Aparna before you.